My presentation is full of videos and different fonts. We're going to talk a little bit about software again. So we're talking about what we call the vet panic cycle. Don't read all this if you're not Dutch, but when we first started our entrepreneurial adventure 5 years ago, we used to get this message from our accountant every quarter or so to supply documents that were missing or to explain payments or whatever. And it was very annoying. So we started out as a side project and we started exploring the market a little bit. And we figured out that every company, maybe some people recognize this, is doing the same cycle. So every quarter the bookkeeper calls up, is like, I need this document, I need this document. Then you submit it, usually way too late, or maybe only half. And then the bookkeeper will work on it, make sure it's all correct, usually it is, and then it will go back and this will repeat until the 31st when all the VAT returns are due. This is an annoying enough problem for us, so we decided to do something about it. Yes. So we built an AI system. Also. It's not working. Wrong button. So, software. So we built an AI layer on top of existing bookkeeping platforms, which will basically eliminate a bunch of the manual work that a bookkeeper usually does. And in short, that means we collect all the missing documents and information from the entrepreneurs, so really from the bookkeeping perspective, without you having to ask anything. And then once we get them, or not, then we'll process the documents and the payments as good as possible, and we do this very context aware, so we'll look at previous bookings, about current VAT regulations, about company policy, then we create the bookings, and then finally we do a bunch of checks to make sure that everything we've done is correct. But also like double or duplicate invoices and stuff like that, and we only report on the stuff that still needs your attention. So this whole cycle basically turned into we're following up with the clients, we're collecting all the documents, we're creating the bookings, and then we're doing the reports again. So it's very, very linear now and continuous. And we see that a lot of our customers currently are so our customers are mainly bookkeepers, and they can handle up to 2 times, sometimes even 3 times as many different companies with our software, so it's really it's helping them a lot. There you see the font work. So the main advantages are way less work for the bookkeepers, more time for advice, which is really important to the bookkeepers, and for the entrepreneurs it's really nice that your books are always up to date. So this is it's working, no way. So this is our platform. We spend a lot of time on dark mode, so here you see all the documents that come in, different emails and stuff. And then I'm uploading documents here, but it can come on anyway. So some people connect their emails and then we process all emails. And then there was only one invoice here that was actually a duplicate. The bookkeeper will mark it as done, we'll delete it from the bookkeeping software, and that's it. That's the entire bookkeeping software done. Or the entire VAT cycle done. We've already processed over 100,000, it's more than 110,000 documents this way currently. And we're now actually in the next phase. So we're basically a bunch of product people, and now we're trying to scale it up to the next phase, so maybe reach 1 million documents. This is our team. Come talk to us if you know anything about GTM or funding or anything like that. We're self-funded currently, and we're really looking for the next step. Thank you.
Thank you. So,